short video on how to save sound clips from websites such as soundbible.com. So right here we can search for, let's say, the sound clip of rain, and we have a few over here, so we can see. Okay, so I'm choosing rain background, attribution 3.0. Right, let's hear it. Okay, so yep, so I like that sound. So what we do next is we click on the link here, and you will see that you're given a choice to either download the WAV or MP3. I prefer MP3. Click and agree to download. So in the iPad, in the Safari, the download is here. So you can tap on it and see that it's already downloaded. So we can listen to the track once again. Yep, so this is the track. Next we go to share, the icon on the top right hand corner. If you have Dropbox, you can save to Dropbox. Now if you don't want to save in Dropbox and you want to save in your file, what you need to do is copy the link. Now go to your file and you can scroll all the way down, tap on it and paste, and there you have it, the rain background sound from the website soundbible.com for your use. That's all. Till we meet again. Bye.